How can you call someone from a random number on iPhone? Well, if you're making a phone call, you're using the phone number which is attached to your SIM card. So it's not like you can just come up with a random number or use someone else's phone number for your calls, but you can most definitely hide your own number from calling someone, right? So in case you want to have a little bit more of a freedom, then there are some options for it. So if you open up the settings of your device and then scroll down to the apps section, then here find the phone, and there is an option to show your caller ID. Well, for me, I don't think it is showing up because I don't have any SIM card installed, but there is the ability to show and hide your number in the settings of your device. Essentially, this is what it looks like. So you just have to tap on show my caller ID and you're going to get a toggle like this where you can enable it or disable it. When you turn it off, your number is going to be hidden when making a phone call, and they're not going to receive a phone call with your number on it, but it's just going to say unknown caller or something like that. So you can essentially hide yourself when making a phone call, but you cannot just pick a random phone number which doesn't belong to you and make a call from that like random number, right? So that's how it works. Also, this kind of stuff doesn't have to be enabled through the settings, but you might as well use a phone app shortcut. So if you open up the app in here, you can get inside, and on the keypad, what you can dial is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be this asterisk 67, and you should be able to then initiate the call, right? And then the number is going to be hidden. But for more like approach, which is going to stay all the time, for more in case you want to make the settings a little bit more advanced or you want to make it all the time, then I would recommend you to just go through these settings and hide the caller ID. But you might as well just perform this and then type in the number to hide your own phone number. But that's gonna be about it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.